Hey, welcome to 11927 Wessex Drive in Houston, Texas. This 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom house sits in this quiet cul-de-sac subdivision in Scarsdale. Come on in, let's check it out. As you enter in through the front door, we're gonna come into this great, huge living room that's encompassed with natural lighting coming on this side and this side. All this brand new paint, new flooring. As you enter in through this room, this is the laundry room with this really large 4th bedroom and walk-in closet. Now you see all these beautiful updates, but what you don't see is things that are hidden that are brand new, like plumbing, HVAC system, new register, new hot water heater, and new fencing. Coming off the living room, we have this really cool little breakfast nook with, again, more natural lighting, new windows. We come into this galley style kitchen that's completely updated and modern style. Check out these gorgeous granite countertops, this really sleek backsplash. Not to mention, these cabinets were built on-site custom-wise. So let's go check out the other 3 bedrooms on the opposite side of the house. Coming off the living room and down this hallway, we're gonna be meted by the secondary bathroom. Brand new is the name of the game in this place. Brand new custom tile, brand new sink, brand new toilet. Look at this flooring that runs throughout this whole house, also in the bathroom. Now we're coming to the secondary bedrooms. As you can see, hitting this room, look at all this natural lighting. Brand new paint, all new flooring, same throughout. Check out these custom handles on this humongous walk-in closet. This is great for kids, office space, whatever you want it to be. Coming into bedroom number 3, very similar to bedroom number 2. Look at all this natural lighting coming in, brand new windows, brand new flooring, brand new paint, not to mention another walk-in closet hidden behind the door. Coming off this bedroom to my right is a really spacious closet. Now we're gonna enter the primary bedroom. It's really tucked away. As you see, same flooring throughout, same paint, great, huge double door closet. Come on into your private, secluded primary bathroom. Just like the other bathroom, it's got custom tile work throughout. Everything's been updated and brand new, not to mention all this natural lighting coming in through the window. Now that we've checked out everything inside, let's go check out this massive backyard. Did I tell you this backyard was massive or what? The opportunities here are endless. You want a pool? You can put it here. You want a playground? You can put it here. You want a hot tub? Put it here. Check out this privacy fence and how tall it is. Also check down there your storage area. If you got a chainsaw, weed whacker, lawnmower, I don't know what you got, you can put it there. Now that we're done here, let's go check out the front. Thanks so much for letting me take you on this tour of 11927 Wessex Drive. It's on the market now, but I can't promise you how long it's gonna stay. So until then, I'll see you next time.